today, review ko itong GST 18V-LI. Ano siya? Cordless Jigsaw na 18 volts. And since I will be cutting 2-inch birch wood, I'm going to use itong blade na to na pang rough cut siya, no? Kung makikita nyo yung blade configuration, malalaki yung gaps niya. And that means it will cut very aggressive. Itong GST 18 has speed for anong tawag dito? For pendulum. When you use the pendulum, pag naka-off ang pendulum, ang blade mo diretso up and down. Pag may pendulum, it moves forward. Mga ganun siya. So, it will make for a faster cut. So, usually, nakalagay ako sa 3, no? Kasi, rough and I don't need clean cut for this time. I'm just gonna put a line kasi puputulin. Normally, jigsaws are very good kung pababayaan nyo. Pag kinat nyo, tinutulak nyo, magdi-deflect yung blade. So, gusto nyo, yung blade lang ang pumuputol. So, babayaan nyo. Kikita nyo, hindi ko tinutulak yan. Yung blade mismo, nakakat. Pag linagay ko yung in-off yung pendulum, kikita nyo yung difference in speed. Same pressure, pero ang bagal. Lagyan ko ng pendulum 1, bumilis yung bahagya. Lagyan natin pendulum 2. Nakikita niya yung aggression, ano? But of course, when you do pendulum, mas rougher yung cut din. Lalagay ko pendulum 3 kasi I'm doing rough cuts naman. And makikita niya talaga walang pressure. Now, one of the things you have to look out pag nagpuputol kayo ng ganito is to have the wood supported on both sides. Kung di nyo kaya anuhin, may iipit yung blade. Magpipinch. Pag naipit yung blade na ganon, kikita nyo parang sumisipa, nagki-kickback. May kickback din but very minimal. So what you do is you want to support the wood properly. Kikita nyo yung cut is fairly straight. Pag linagay nyo nito, diretso siya. Halos walang deflection. And that's because you're letting the blade do the cut. I have 3 jigsaws na. But most of the time, ito na lang parati yung binibit-bit ko kasi cordless and it has the power. I have the 12 volts, which is good for light duty. And kung medyo kailangan ko pa ng extra grunt, extra power, naka-corded na ako, yung GST 80 PBE. Now, I highly recommend this. It's a nice tool to have in the shop. It's not what you would use for finish cuts. Almost 90% of the time, kailangan mo i-sand yung finish yung cut nito. Kailangan mo, it's mostly used for rough cuts. Ang common question is, can you cut straight with a jigsaw? And the answer is yes, you can. Dahan-dahan lang, let the blade do the cut, choosing the right blade, and then it will do what you want it to do. if you are a beginner woodworker, ito sinasuggest ko first tool. Kasi kung kailangan mo straight cuts, pwede siya mag-straight cuts. Kung kailangan mo mag-curve cuts, pwede siya mag-curve cuts. Pwede siya sa multi-material, bakal, aluminum, wood. It's a great tool for all around sa bahay. Okay? So, again, GST 18V-LI. Bosch.